What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So today, guys, I'm going to talk about my small account challenge, which has been a great success. So up $4,000 plus on the day. One single micro NQ contract I took about a month ago, guys, and that is over 1,300 points in profit. I called it out live on YouTube, so I hope you followed along with me, guys. It was a great run. So what we can see here, guys, is in the month of November, NQ has taken the highs off of the last 4 months, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm going to show you my strategy on how I try to catch the bottom using futures contracts or options. Either one is fine, but using Fibonacci. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do it. Okay, so this is the daily chart for the NASDAQ, and I'm using micro contracts because for the small account challenge, I wanted to just use one single contract to show you that you can grow your account. All right. So the first thing that I want to go ahead and show you guys is using the Fibonacci pullback and the Fibonacci extension. So the first important point is finding an anchor. So we could see back here, guys, we had a significant gap in the market in May. So if I take my Fibonacci from this low anchor to the high that we had made back in July, what I'm looking for is the 618 level and the 786 level to load up long term, okay? Because I'm trying to buy the dip. And one of the reasons I was really interested in this area is not only was this a good dip buying opportunity, but if you actually draw the Fibonacci the other direction, if I go from high to low like this, what you'll see is that the bear that shorted on the 618, the completion of their move was actually this 272 extension. So that's a measured move target. So we can go here, here's our pullback, and then here's our extension. So we had an area of confluence. Not only did we have the extension of the bear, but we also had the bull looking for the dip buy overlapping each other right in this kill zone. So that's why I went ahead and decided to load up the boat. Okay, guys. And you could see from this move here, guys, we have knocked out 4 months of highs, which is an amazing move. So I'm really happy to share this with you. And that's how you use Fibonacci to try to catch the bottom, to grow small accounts. You look for the extensions, the completions, and you try to look for an area of synergy, which I call the kill zone. All right, guys. So check me out at tradingwars.com if you like what I just spoke about. We go live every single day in the Discord, guys, and you can see that I have live callouts every day. The last swing trade we took from 352 on the options to I closed it at 1420. So there's a lot of stuff we're doing, swings, different setups. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Like I said, I'm doing some giveaways. There's going to be a lifetime Discord giveaway and 2 annual Tradingview subscription giveaways. Thank you, Tradingview, so much for that. So comment Fibonacci below. And right now, any one of my books that you guys purchase, it's normally $100 for the book, and you get 1 month for free in the Discord. Over 50 charts, 69 pages. I'm going to double that up. 2 months for free all week long. All right, guys, for Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to comment to enter the giveaway. All right, like and subscribe. Take care.